Hi, sir.
Hi.
I am Priyanshu from Drone Expo. And so, first of all, we welcome you to the Drone Expo 2020.
Thank you so much. Thank you so very much.
And I'm here to ask few questions about the exhibition in your company. So, firstly, can you please tell me about yourself and your company?
Sure. Well, my name is Kunal. I'm the marketing executive and I'm also looking at the service here at Falco Robotics Pvt Limited. We are a bootstrap startup. We started 4 years ago and currently we are into surveillance and payload delivery of drones. Currently, we are working in all the sectors, be it B2G, directly to the government, directly to the businesses, or directly catering to the end consumer. We are doing it all.
That's great, sir. So, what type of product are you showcasing in Drone Expo 2024, sir?
So, as far as our products are concerned, we are showcasing our strengths, what we have worked till now, and what sort of possibilities we have. We have surveillance drone both in small size and in large size as well. As far as endurance is concerned, we have a hybrid VTOL that has an endurance of 2 hours if you want to fly it for 20-25 kilometers beyond and beyond. Also, we have different customized drones. We also have different customized drone for payload from let's say 700 grams to 20 kgs, depending on your need, your problem statement. We've got all the solution that you need.
All right. So, any new product are you showcasing in this Drone Expo?
Exactly. We actually have 2 new products that are our USP. The name of the first drone is Falco T01 Max, where usually in surveillance you find it difficult to do the surveillance in the night time. We have a thermal and IR sensor embedded in our camera, because of which it is possible to do the surveillance part in the night also. Other than that, it is very difficult to locate the small drones if they are flying nearby. So we have a drone interceptor that is obviously has achieved 75% of its target. So what it basically does is within a radial periphery of 2 kilometers, it lets you know whether there is some unidentified aircraft flying nearby or not in a particular direction by catching the frequency on which it is working upon.
Okay,
so these are our 2 USPs that we are showcasing this
I
time.
guess you are also showcasing a product in Innovation Zone, right?
Yes, in Innovation Zone, that is Falco T01 Max.
So, coming on to the exhibition, sir, did you find the right visitors for your business?
Yes, actually, what we had in mind, now we've got more problem statements. We've got more clientele that have shown interest in our product. We have shown them our capabilities, and let's see how the thing goes. I am very positive about the outcome of this.
Thank you. So, coming on to the last question, are you looking to participate in the next edition of Drone Expo, sir?
Yes, certainly,
It is in
100%.
Hyderabad.
Yes, certainly, 100%. We will be meeting in Hyderabad really very soon,
Okay.
depending on how we are able to close the deals right now.
So, we also hope that we'll meet next year.
No worries. No
Thank
worries.
you so much for giving your valuable time. We wish
Thank
you
you.
all the
Thank you
best.
so much. Thank you.